Hello everybody, my name is Jenica and welcome to another video. Welcome, welcome. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Today I received my Boxycharm for the month of August and I want you to open it with me. Boxycharm is a subscription box in which for $21 a month you would get 5 to 6 full-size beauty products coming to your door every month. So far, it's one of my favorite subscription boxes. Shall we open it? So this month, this is what the box looks like inside. It always comes with a paper with the description of the products, and every month they have a theme, and this month is Life of the Party. It has neon lipsticks and neon lips, and on this side we can see some beauty influencers that they have probably picked the products that we will see in the box today. And let's see what we got. Right here, the first thing I see, it's Bang Beauty. Let's open it and see what it is. It's a chocolate gel eyeliner. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, it looks so beautiful. That looks quite like chocolate, and I was expecting it to smell like chocolate. I'm a little bit disappointed that it doesn't smell like chocolate. I'm excited for this. I always just wear black gel eyeliner, but I like having this just to try new looks. And I see myself, I love brown. I use a lot of brown eyeshadows, a lot of brown just pencil eyeliners, and I'm looking forward to see what looks can I create with this. Ooh, listen to this. Use it as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, which I was thinking on doing that, or even to touch up your brows. I would definitely do that. This creamy chocolate tone pomade is the ultimate triple threat. I am so excited about this product. The price is $22. Next, I see Ades New York Organic Infused Age-Defying Nail Treatment Essentials. Okay, nail treatment, I need that. Especially, sweet almond cuticle oil. Especially cuticle oil. I don't like getting manicures. I feel I don't like people touching my cuticles because I like mess with them. So they're always very sensitive. I know it's a problem. I know I'll have to deal with them. So whenever I get manicures, it doesn't feel relaxing because my cuticles are always very sensitive. So I will try it and see how it works. The price for this is $18. So the next thing I see here, and I'm kind of excited about this, it's House of Lashes. In the design, I guess they're different designs because they're not shades. You can't really say that. In the design, Bambi, they are quite wispy. I'm gonna take it out of the box and show them very close to you. The band is super thin though, and I think they say that the thinner the band, the better. But look at them. They have separate clumps of eyelashes, and I find that very interesting, and I'm I'm interested in seeing how they would look on me. The price for these lashes they range from $9 to $12, which is, I think, is great. It says that you can wear up to 15 times. I think you definitely get your money's worth wearing it 15 times. Next, we have the palette. We have Laura Lee's Party Animal palette. I don't watch Laura Lee. I have nothing against her. I just don't watch her. But I was really excited to find out that we were getting this palette, just because I don't have a lot of color in my makeup collection, and I really want to experiment with color. And man, these colors are just so vibrant. I like them. I'm gonna do some quick swatches for you guys. This is the Party. Then we have Damage Control. This is Karaoke. This is Drinks. This is Bottoms Up. Yeah, you can see a little bit of glitter in it. And lastly, this is, very crumbly. Very, very crumbly. I don't know if you can see it. Yes, very crumbly. This is Hungover. And these are my burn marks from taking out of the oven and not being careful. Don't get it confused with swatches. I was very excited for the colors. I know that swatches don't say very much about how shadows perform. I'm still excited to have some more color in my collection to experiment a little more. I like it that it's pretty small, because obviously, at least I don't think that I could do a whole look just with this palette. So it's small, so you can pair it with another palette. And the price for this is $19. Next we have something from Smashbox, and it's a rouge. Hold on. It's their Be Legendary lipstick in the shade Straight Up. Yes, in the shade Straight Up, and I love it. I like it so much. I am so happy. I almost want to take my lipstick off and try it off right now, which I am gonna do that. I love brown colors. I love them all. I'm not a big pink person. I'm bigger on brown. And this is looking beautiful. It looks more natural and sheer than I expected, but I think it suits me. It's a very wearable color, and I think I will be very glad to add it to my lipstick collection. This is one of my favorite things from the box so far. And the full price is $21. It ranges from $21 to $24. And last, we have some Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. I am always thankful, and I always welcome any kind of sheet mask or eye masks or any kind of skincare item that we can get. And it's really nice that we have 3. I have other products from this brand. I think I have tried, well, last box I received a mascara from Wonder Beauty. I've tried their primer. Was it an illuminator primer? I have it. I still haven't tried it. They claim to have hyaluronic acid and aloe leaf extract and lavender oil to soothe your under eye area. And it retails for $13. Now, I don't know. I assume maybe $13 for the 3 of these, or maybe each. I don't know. Let me look it up. So I think it is $13 for the 3 of these because I looked it up and you can buy a box that comes with 6 of them for $25. And I guess $13 is half of it. So I would say that my favorite items from this box for this month is the Smashbox lipstick. I love lipstick, and I think I definitely don't have this color. It's very wearable. It looks very natural on me, and I think I will definitely keep wearing it. I am also looking forward to try the Bang Beauty Brown Chocolate Gel Eyeliner because it's multi-purpose. You can use it different ways, and I think I will definitely try to use in all the other ways that they claim that you can. So I'm excited about this. In total, this box has a value of $108. Do I think it was worth paying $21 for this box? I think it was, mainly for the lipstick and for the gel eyeliner. I think I would pay $20 for these 2 products. So I think this month is worth it. And these 2, I think these are really good. So that was my Birchbox for the month of August. Thank you so much for joining me in this unboxing. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you next time. Bye.